Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. The first pose we're exploring the advanced yoga poses is wheel pose, but with our elbows down. You can practice it by raising one of your leg, extending one of your leg, and either raising and arching your back even more. It's a very good pose for the back, improves your back flexibility and takes your practice of the wheel pose a little forward. The second one we're going to be doing is just going to be stretching out our neck and just stretching out the side. Now guys, advanced poses are not supposed to be all about the fact that they are difficult. Other things can be just to deepen the stretch and make it a lot more easier for you to enter. The second pose we are exploring, the third pose rather, is this shoulder rocks. Okay, in the shoulder rock, you're supporting your lower back and you're allowing your legs to just fly around. It's a good warm-up for your back, and then we're going to go straight into plough pose. Plough pose is an advanced pose, but any single person can practice it. Now, while you have done all this warm-up, you can go back to the wheel pose, this time around deepening the practice more than you did before. Arc your back more, look forward, and extend your back even more. So it's a very good way to improve your wheel pose, and it's an advanced pose. The next pose we are going to be exploring is this half extended leg stretch. So you want to tuck in either of the legs, maybe the right or the left one, and take the opposite hands to the knees and the alternating hand. This one is, anybody can actually practice it, even if it's an advanced pose, but you can just have some fun with it, play around with it, and see how deep you can stretch or how long you can take. For some people, the left side is a little bit more flexible than the others, and other people the right side. So do what works for you. The next pose is crow pose. And now crow pose, you want to place your knees on your triceps and look for a point of focus and then lift up. Another good way to advance this pose is by coming to a tripod stand, dropping your head, and finding a way to balance your upper body. You could stay still here, or you could do some leg variation, anything that works for you. It could be long legs, it could be just something simple. However, just do what works for you. In the process of advancing your practice, you need to take it slow. And we can move it straight into a headstand, lifting up the leg, going into a stack leg, or raising the leg all the way up to the ceiling. Now, this is an advanced variation, but you can do whatever works for you. You can use the aid of a wall, a pillar, something that can help you balance on the ground. Headstand can take a lot of toll on your back and your neck, so make sure that you're well propped and properly ready to do this pose. Don't be like this person in the background that is trying to do the pose, not looking out for himself. Like, that's not the way to enter into the pose. Now guys, we're going to go into this variation of the camel pose. Just get comfortable. You can arch your back or you can rest your shoulders, but this variation is very advanced because of the position of the knee and the arching of the back. Another advanced pose we're going to be doing is spinal stretch. You want to lift up from the leg all the way up, twisting to the sides and going back to what you did originally. So the spinal stretch is a good way to stretch your back and to stretch your leg. Now we're going to go to another advanced pose known as wild thing. Like a wild thing, move side to side and stretch your hands and arc your back. So it's a little advanced because you're doing some planking and you're also doing some back bend. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do tell me what you think about this video, and I'll see you next week Monday when a new video drops. For now, bye and take care.